I'd like to congratulate Mr. Fishbane and the legal department on the settlement of 2 lawsuits recently within the last couple of weeks. And I hope maybe that in your comments, or maybe you want to address it now, those 2 lawsuits. I believe that we've had some frivolous lawsuits filed against us. And I know that there are laws in place. I hope that we can tap into those laws and prevent some of these lawsuits in the future. Do you want to discuss that now? Or you want
I can just say quickly that the complaint in the sports club matter that was filed in December was dismissed. Judge did so without prejudice. We have not heard yet back whether they are going to amend. With respect to the Seegmiller matter, in which there were 7 counts filed, 5 federal, 2 state counts, there's just a ruling by the federal judge dismissing all 5 federal counts with a pretty strong statement saying you no longer are entitled to be in federal court. And so the remaining 2 state counts, judge felt you can take that up with a state judge if you want to, and it then dismissed the district and Mrs. Curatolo. And judgment has been entered, and we just received the actual judgment closing the file.
And just for the audience's information, the after-school programs, how many different lawsuits have been filed, and what has been the result?
Well, we've won them all. I mean, there have been very many, and right now there are 2 up on appeals that need to see themselves through. So I can give you an actual number. I'm not sure if it's productive. There's just been very, very many of them between Sports Club, Parents Rock, and Mr. Bracci's suits. But right now what's left are the appellate claims of Sports Club and Parents Rock, and they certainly have a right to appeal the administrative laws judge's decision in our behalf. And I don't think it's appropriate for me to comment one way or the other on that. We have submitted our response to their appellate briefs, and I think the process should take its course.
Can you give an estimate of what that's cost our district over time?
A lot of money.
$100,000?
More than that.
Thank you.